Test conditions. As a gunner, given a MK-19 40mm grenade machine gun mounted on a tripod with linked 40mm grenade ammunition and a 40mm ammunition can, you have been directed to load the weapon and take immediate actions to correct the failure to fire and to unload the weapon in sequence. Test standards. Within 1 minute, clear, load, correct the malfunction, unload, and clear a MK-19 40mm grenade machine gun in sequence. I am Sergeant Gilbert. I will be your grader for the individual testing station, MK-19 40mm grenade machine gun. During this phase of testing, you will be evaluated on the MK-19 40mm grenade machine gun. Do you have any questions before you begin?
No, Sergeant.
Let me have your attention. At this point, you must clear, load a MK-19 40mm grenade machine gun, perform immediate action on a MK-19 40mm machine gun, and unload and clear the MK-19 40mm grenade machine gun in sequence. The purpose of this test is to determine your ability to load, correct the malfunction, and unload and clear the MK-19 40mm grenade machine gun in sequence. This point consists of the 4 tasks. You must pass all 4 of them to receive a go. In order to pass a task, you must correctly perform all the performance measures for the task. If you fail any task at this point, you will retest all of your 4 tasks. You will have 1 minute to clear, load the MK-19 40mm grenade machine gun, perform immediate action on a MK-19 40mm grenade machine gun, and unload and clear the MK-19 40mm grenade machine gun in sequence. When I say begin, you will immediately begin by clearing, loading, and firing the weapon in the direction it is now pointed. The belt of ammunition you have by your weapon will produce a malfunction. You must correct the malfunction and continue to fire the weapon. You will then unload and clear the weapon in sequence. You must fire the MK-19 from a seated firing position. You may use only the equipment you will find on the ground clothing cloth beside your weapon. Do you understand what you must do?
Yes, Sergeant.
Begin. First step, clear a MK-19 40mm grenade machine gun. Place the safety switch on safe. Open the top cover assembly. Lower one or both charging handles. Pull the charging handle slightly to the rear. Allow sufficient space between the face of the bolt and the chamber to see both. Check for any ammunition. Ride the bolt forward. Return the charging handle to its original upright position. Step 2. Load the MK-19 40mm grenade machine gun. Attach feed throat to feeder. Squeeze the spring-loaded pins on the feed throat. Insert into the slots on both sides of the feeder. Insert the rounds through the feed throat, female first, into the feeder. Push the round across the first set of feeder paws. Ensure the round is straight and firmly seated against the bolt. Push the secondary drive lever to the right. Close the top cover assembly. Charge the weapon. Lower both charging handles. Pull both charging handles to the rear, ensuring the bolt locks to the rear. Return both charging handles to the forward position. Place the safety switch in the fire position. Squeeze the trigger, allowing the bolt to slam forward. Rotate both charging handles down. Pull both charging handles to the rear. Return both charging handles to the forward up position. Squeeze the trigger. Take immediate action to correct the failure to fire. Pull the charging handles to the rear. Observe the ejection port to see if a case, link, or round ejects. Push the charger handles to the forward to the up position. Squeeze the trigger. Step 4. Unload and clear the MK-19 40mm grenade machine gun. Place the safety switch to safe. Charge the weapon. Lower both charging handles. Pull both charging handles to the rear, ensuring the bolt locks to the rear. Return both charging handles to the forward position. Remove live rounds or spent case from the bolt if present. Insert the tip of a long flat tip screwdriver through the receiver rail on top of the round or spent case as close to the bolt face as possible. Position one hand beneath the weapon to catch the round if it falls out. Force the live round off the bolt face and out of the bottom of the gun by pushing down on the cleaning rod. Attempt to catch the round if it falls out. Open the top cover assembly. Remove linked rounds from the feeder if present. Reach beneath the feeder tray with one hand. Press and hold both primary and secondary positioning piles. Slide the linked rounds out of the feeder and out of the feed throat. Return the linked rounds to the ammunition can. Return the bolt to the forward position. Place the safety switch in the fire position. Hold one charging handle to the rear. Ride the bolt forward by squeezing the trigger and easing the bolt forward. Ensure both charging handles are forward and up position. Place the safety switch in the safe position.